Maharashtra is taking a major step towards strengthening its future power security. Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has confirmed at the World Economic Forum in Davos that the Indian state has signed key agreements with Indian as well as Russian companies to explore next-generation nuclear energy solutions.
इसमें जो काम होने वाला है वो शायद महाराष्ट्र में ही होगा क्योंकि
We have basically taken the initiative in this regard, and the first project will probably be in Maharashtra. This is because we have signed MOUs with both an Indian government company and a Russian company. Now, due to the new developments in the civil utilization of nuclear energy, we are going to develop small modular reactors.
Small modular reactor जिसको हम SMR कहते हैं, ये SMR को हम लोग अभी तैयार करने वाले.
According to Devendra Fadnavis, the focus will be on small modular reactors or SMRs, which he said could play a crucial role in addressing future electricity demand, especially as data centers, municipal corporations, private sector and even financial institutions come together to finance these projects. Alongside nuclear energy initiatives, India's renewable energy ecosystem is also in the global spotlight at the forum, with Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency having highlighted the strong clean energy ecosystem built by the Indian government over the past decade. In addition to energy partnerships, Maharashtra has also signed multiple international agreements which are aimed at sustainable development and urban innovation too. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us more details on this.
Right, Maharashtra is looking at a big shift in how it powers its future. At the ongoing World Economic Forum, the state's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced signing an MOU with an Indian government company as well as a Russian company to explore small modular reactors, which are also known as SMRs. This could help to meet the state's rising electricity demand, especially with data centers, with financial institutions, municipal corporations, as well as circular economy projects expanding across the state. Unlike traditional plants, these SMRs are smaller, quicker to deploy and can be set up closer to any consumption hub. The state's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis also announced saying that if everything goes well, Maharashtra could be the first state in India to have its SMR project. Given the groundwork to this has already started, it's in the early stages, and the funding may come up by most of the entities like the public bodies, municipal corporations, private entities, and as far as even financial institutions are concerned. And discussions are at a very early stage, but they are ongoing. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.